Hi, my name is Dana and I'm with Trusted Water. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating use of the color of water meter that comes in your waterborne infection prevention kit. The color of water meter lets us know the cloudiness of our water sample in color units. This is a general measurement as it does not specify what's causing the cloudiness in the water. To begin this very simple test, I will need my 120 milliliter sample bottle, my color of water meter, my microcloth, my pipette, and my two 10 milliliter cuvettes. I've already used my 120 milliliter sample bottle to collect a sample. If you haven't done so, please reference our sample collection video to do so yourself. To begin the actual testing portion, I'll first look to my cuvettes. One will serve as my blank. For this blank, I used cold, flushed water. The other will serve as my sample to read. For my sample to read, I've used first draw water. If you're unfamiliar with these terms, also please reference our sample collection video. It will differentiate between the two. I have already collected and filled my blank. I will now do so for my sample to read. I'll open the top of my cuvette. I'll open the water sample I collected in my 120 milliliter bottle, and I'll use my pipette to slowly begin filling my sample to read. I'm going to fill it up to this 10 milliliter line here, and then I'll close my cuvette and close my sample bottle and set it to the side. Once you have both your blank and sample to read filled, make sure you keep them separate so you consistently know which is which. Now, I'm going to turn on my color of water meter with this button here. The display will turn on and it will read C1. This is it prompting me to enter my blank. I'll use my microcloth to wipe down the outside of my cuvette and make sure there's no fingerprints. Then, I'll open the top of my color of water meter, insert the cuvette, close the lid, and I'll press this button one more time to let it begin reading the sample. For your blank, know that you're more than welcome to use deionized water. However, flushed water is more convenient as you can collect it at the same time you're collecting your sample, and it gives us a reference point for the actual facility. Once this is complete, my machine will have been zeroed out. We can see it's now displaying C2. I'll open the top, remove my blank, and now I'll pick up my sample to read, give this a quick little wipe with the microcloth, and insert it into my instrument. I'll close the top, press the button once more, and now I'm waiting for the instrument to read my sample. As we can see, I got 0 color units. To finish testing, I'll open this up, remove my sample, close my instrument, I'll remember to record my result, and then I'll turn off the instrument using this button here. With the display blank, I'll know my instrument is turned off. Color measurement correlates to turbidity, the cloudiness of water. Cloudiness increases with bacteria growth. The more bacteria growth, the higher the cloudiness and the higher the color measurement. For questions on battery installation or general troubleshooting, please reference the instruction manual found in your waterborne infection prevention kit.